गुड मॉर्निंग। हाय।
हाय।
और आज संडे सुबह हम लोग आए हुए हैं स्टीम मॉल। हर बार स्टीम मॉल के अपोजिट राइड स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज XBHP की राइड है।
Hi.
मॉर्निंग।
Good morning.
सो टेल अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट द राइड।
So right now we are gathering for the XBHP Meetup United. We are riding from the ST Mall and we will be riding till KTM Indranagar, where we will have the meetup. We will meet more bikers over there. So till then we are gathering, we are waiting. बाकी की बातें वहाँ पे।
कौन है?
Thank you. Okay.
रेडी।
All right. I the biker. I the biker. I the biker. Woo. Line up behind them. And जो भी होगा सिर्फ दो का या हाँ, तो हम लोग फॉर्मेशन में राइड करेंगे, या तो दो की फॉर्मेशन में या फिर एक की फॉर्मेशन में। तो अगर जो सामने हमारे लीड में है, अगर वो कहते हैं ऐसे, तो इसका मतलब है कि दो की फॉर्मेशन, एक के पीछे एक। अगर एक आता है तो मतलब एक की फॉर्मेशन, तो उसको तोड़ना नहीं है, राइट। एक का वो जनरली कभी आएगा जब रोड पतली है या कुछ है, तो वी विल राइड इन वन सिंगल फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है। एंड
all know. We've got some noted personality, famous personality which you already have.
2017. I had been writing for quite a lot of time. Around I think 2002, I started doing long trips. Yes.
Now you're thinking what else?
Yes. MSK. MSK is a good, मतलब jolly आदमी है, मजाक करता रहता है, हंसी मजाक करता रहता है. The pride, no matter what bike do you ride, we ride together with the pride. Don't ever you and I here, सिर्फ ही दिखता है यहाँ. The only you that you will find is in the road trip, you know.
So that's how my motorcycle journey has been. I'd love to thank Bulu Biker, Bulu Bhai, who introduced me to this, and Manan for giving me this opportunity. And
All of you, I would want all of you to be here one by one, but I am sure it won't be feasible because we don't have that much of time. So that's why I picked up a few people which I knew that okay, they are doing this. So I'll pass on the mic to Ashish. Ashish, why don't you tell everybody your motive with the biking community of India? So how many of you are aware about biking community of India? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have an opportunity to tell everybody else what you are doing and a beautiful concept of Save Earth Right as well.
So I tell you about the Save Earth Ride when we initiated in 2019. So Manan is the first guy I called him कि we are doing a Save Earth Ride. So he supported a lot. So and on that year we got an India Book of Record and we hosted a ride in 100 cities in 2019. Then 2020 is a COVID was there, so we are unable to do the ride, but people are planted out their home. And this year again we are hosted in 100 plus cities and 40 plus countries. Singapore, Malaysia, UK, US, many countries have participated with us. So biking community of India, not only in the India, and we have branches from abroad. We have a lot of bikers connected in out of the country. So this is about the Sevath ride, and Sevath ride, how it is started. When we are clocking kilometers, we are causing a pollution. Every kilometer we are causing a pollution. Not only the bikers, even the people are using a mobile, wearing a cloth. Lot of the factories are causing a pollution. So everybody, even we are using a aeroplane, planes. So for that, what we are doing? So one kid one day asked us, "Ki you people are ripping a bike, riding a bike, and causing a pollution. What you people are doing for nature?" So simple answer. So what we can do? What we can do?
Plant
we can
trees.
plant a sapling. Simple saplings. So we are planting a saplings every year. So we got an answer कि ठीक है सारे bikers मिलके yearly once we are doing a plantation drive. So every Sunday we are riding for a breakfast ride. So all the clubs coming together and we are doing a plantation drive in August 1st Sunday. But due to COVID, last 2 years this event is stretching like 1 month. So this is the thing. And apart from that community, I am talking about the biking community of India. So first we started like people are going for a long rides. They are required support. Anybody guess which is the place behind me? Guess karo. Anybody? Anybody?
No.
There is somewhere around China border.
You
Northeast?
know that. Huh? This is the you know that. That's what you are saying. Whatever the hills you are seeing, that is the China territory, and I am standing in the India-China border. And with me, my riding partner Colonel Jacob is sitting behind. So we went from Bangalore to China border on bike. And one more interesting fact
So
about
you
that.
also need to tell which side of the China border because
Yeah.
it's a long
So it's a Bumla border. It's a Bumla border. There all the meetings are happening with Indian and Chinese territory. So I'm just standing a border, and Colonel Jacob is taking that pics. I think so. He's there. So he's sitting behind me, there backside. So we did entire northeast on that, and that bike is started. We are doing a Sevath ride. So each club wants to meet us. कह रहे भाई आप लोग बैंगलोर में रहते हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट वालों को आप लोग इंडिया वाला नहीं समझते हो. That the thought they have. मैंने कहा नहीं हम आएंगे. They said no, don't come on the flight. We want to meet you. Then we decided we started 4 bikers, 1 female bikers, 4 male bikers. We started last year 2020 before the Janata curfew. Everybody remember Janata curfew?
Yes.
उसके एक दिन पहले we think okay ठीक है छोटा मोटा कोरोना होगा 15-20 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. We will return back. So what we did, we are in the Dimapur, Nagaland. We left our bike there. Colonel friend was there. He's posted. So we left our bike in a cantonment. कि चलो आ जाएंगे वापस. Last 1 year our bikes was there. So we are waiting कि अब कोरोना खत्म होगा. We waited till vaccination start. Vaccination also not vaccination started यार क्या नहीं. Vaccination starting हुआ था. Then we decided कि ठीक है चलते हैं. Then we went back. We seen bike after 1 year. And then we completed all the northeast journey. So unlike the border was closed like a Myanmar border and Nepal border, all the borders are closed. But we went to the Bangladesh border, Myanmar border, Nepal, all the border we covered. Plan was that to cover entire India and meet all the clubs. Actually, in the Sevath ride, more than 300 clubs are participating, and more than I tell you, the Bangalore stand for the bikers recently of the 4th of August, the event was happened. 1500 plus bikers are there in a Bangalore event. So that is the crowd is coming for the event. So इस तरह से पूरा North East journey we completed, and that is the one interesting fact about that. When we are traveling the North East, we came to know that अरे ये भी इंडिया में, ये भी इंडिया में. Like there is a floating lakes are there, snow is there, hills is there. If you are going to
Just picking up a bike, you can't go to Ladakh. So even though I had a lot of experience in the past, but then I said, okay, chalo, I'll go on a solo trip. And when I started watching some YouTube videos, I realized Ladakh is not easy because the terrain is completely different from the roads that we ride in Bangalore. Even though since I am asthmatic, so I had to work on my riding, because I put rare crash.
Got to meet so many clubs. That is where I am discovering what life is actually. It's not sitting at home. When you ride, your soul will find peace.
That actually connects all of us. That is like he, the biker, he is biker. We all are bikers, and we all came into biking for some or the other reasons. Some actually came forward to avoid. Some people actually come out of depression. Some people start biking.
I ride with Indian Royal Cruisers, and I am one of the administrators in that club. Biking was never a passion for me, though I was very inclined to ride two-wheelers during my college days. I never owned during those days, but I was very fond of driving my friends' motorcycles. So that's the 90s, the late 90s when I started actually riding. So at that point of time, whether it was a scooter, whether it was Luna, TVS 50, or Hero Poke or Yamaha RX100, name any bike or scooter, I have driven all of them. I bought my first bike, Hero Honda Splendor, back in 2018, and then my passion started for biking. I didn't do too long trips, but between Gurgaon and Delhi to my in-laws place, it was approximately 60 kilometers. So every weekend it was like going there, dropping my wife over there, and then just try to roam around all other places. The actual passion started off from there, but it got the right jerk and motivation when I shifted to Bangalore, and I could see some bikers over the weekend going in their full gears, following the road rails, and going all the way in a very disciplined way. And the very thought that I came in my mind was, I will go and buy a Royal Enfield Bullet because I want that thumping sound to be there. So when I ride in the city or when I go outside, people should be listening to that. That's how in 2018 I bought my bike. The first club I got introduced to was Indian Royal Cruisers, joined there, and since then I've been riding with them. Now, biking has been combined with some more passions of mine. I see a lot of people doing video logging or photography. I combine it with cooking also, because food is an essential part of riding. You have to maintain health, drive safe, everything. So I cook a lot of food. When I'm not biking, when I'm not riding, I cook food at home, especially during weekends, veg, non-veg, different combinations, I do all of them. I'm just reinstating my passion for photography and video logging as well. And something very common with Reena, as she said, she has a lot of photographs and videos in her GoPro, but not yet able to edit. The same is the story with me as well. There's one common message that I was actually thinking about when I was standing there waiting for the mic to be given to me. There's a relation between social media and biking. You just make a wide YouTube. No. Just make a wild guess. What is that social media is helping us do?
Connecting people.
Two things.
One thing that I would want to tell about the exhibition magazine, here it goes to you. So don't just tell the miss out ones.
Okay. Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Singapore. Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos.
See, you are telling me randomly. That's why it is very difficult
I'm
to
trying to do
remember.
that too.
Yeah, start from India.
Manipur.
And Manipur is different. See, who was that? Yeah, Ashish, you said that, no? Yeah. The Manipur guys say that you don't consider a part of India. Exactly. Are that is India?
I know.
I get.
Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia, Laos, Vietnam.
Indonesia नहीं था.
Okay, Laos, Vietnam.
Indonesia सिंगापुर के बाद आता है.
सैली मार्क्स हटा लो.
पहचान तो ले लो कौन. Okay. Then I think I'm stuck now.
You're stuck. Who else want to try?
And Australia, obviously.
Australia? No, not obviously. It was Asia, right? Australia is a continent, different continent. Yes, please. Pass on the mic, please. Start from the beginning.
I can say random.
No. It is very difficult to remember which one you missed.
Because I remember random.
The map is still the same. It is not random. The countries are placed in the same sequence.
Okay, India, Nepal, Bhutan, again India,
Okay, still with the question. I saw this. Yeah, that is why I came here. See, I saw about 18 videos of all the 18 road tip United meters, but still I'm not able to get it. So next time, please remember. No, you remember. I think you're doing yourself. Please remember. Yes, please do that. Yeah, I'll give you this. So, first of all, we round of applause for him here. He remembered all the 11 countries. Here it goes to you. Here we have the latest RC200. Let it warm, then you try to rev it up. Alright, and in the meantime, Karthik, I think you would want somebody to, yeah.
I think we have the customer who would like first. I think maybe the dealer team can help us in handing over the
Take it and go.
and there's a cake.
And who's gonna do the honors? सही बंदे के हाथ में.
मुश्किल होता था. हाँ ये फिरता था. यहाँ लगता है ना, like if you do it like this, no, there's a gap. And they say that you know if you want to take it on track, these all.
अभी हमारे साथ हैं बुल्लू पटनायक बैंगलोर में, और मुझे पता लगता था ये उड़ीसा में ही ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं, पर ये बैंगलोर में ही है हमारे साथ.
जी हाँ.
तो बैंगलोर में कहाँ रहते हैं आप? बर्तुल में.
मैं वर्तुल में रहता हूँ.
तो अगली राइड में इनको भी हम लोग बुलाएंगे. सेवत राइड या कोई भी बड़ी राइड होगी तो ये हमारे साथ रहेंगे नेक्स्ट बिग राइड में.